Welcome to 48 Huntington. We are here in Southampton, New Jersey in the 55 plus adult active community here in Leisure Town. I'm going to tell you about this 2-bedroom property and tell you about some of the amenities that Leisure Town offers. It's such an active adult community. You have your very spacious master suite here. There is 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, utility closet, extra storage closet. Take a look at the gorgeous tile in this updated bathroom. Custom tile, new vanity, granite tops, beautiful. You have a second bedroom here. You could use it as a study, an extra TV room, a guest room, whatever you like. Come with me into this beautifully updated full kitchen with brand new stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, gorgeous backsplash, gorgeous granite, enough little space here for an eat-in kitchen, dinette. You also have an enclosed back porch offering all kinds of bonus space. You could have your cards, a separate TV room, you could do a full dining room out here if you'd like. And then also beautiful updated living room. This property has been updated, including there's also an enclosed front porch. 1-car garage attached. Leisure Town. Leisure Town has so many outdoor clubs. They have social events that they host. There's 2 swimming pools. There are movie nights, a recreation center, a fitness center. There's amenities here to play bocce ball, tennis, pickleball, all kinds of activities. You are here surrounded by natural beauty. The Pinelands National Reserve is right in the area. Gorgeous tree-lined, nice yard space in the back if you like to garden or just have your coffee outside, listen to the birds. There's a lot to do here in Leisure Town in this beautiful 55 plus adult active community. Colleen O'Hara with Team O'Hara. Give us a call and we'd be happy to schedule a tour for you and tell you more about the property and more about the area. Thanks.